On Wednesday, there is a breakout, and that comes with slight increase of the volume. That is very healthy. Most importantly, when the S&P 500 testing the previous all-time high level, there is not much bearish reaction apart from this one bar comes with slight decrease of the supply level. This sort of the supply level is unlike what we have on this bar and what we have on the way down, or this bar right here. Look at the volume, that's very high level of the supply. But in terms of this bar, this is relatively low supply level. That is a bullish sign. Suggests that there is no supply coming out at this all-time high level. That's important and also significant as well. If you look at this chart, this is a all-time high in March this year when S&P 500 coming from this bottom and then going to test the all-time high. It did not draw up a lot of the supply. In fact, supply has been decreasing. It still doesn't attract the spike of the supply like what we have seen here. This suggests a continuation to the upside. This is constructive. Last Tuesday, we talked about a trading range is still unfolding. How is this trading range going to unfold? If this is a bullish scenario, it means that it's going to higher target, but this is very high supply level. This supply still need to be tested. The bullish case that we could anticipate is a continuation to the upside, keep going up until we see some increase of the supply, whether it's profit taking or whether it's triggered by the news, and then have a reaction. This reaction will be the test of the previous down wave. What I anticipate will be a high form going up and then have a test and then form a higher low from here. Hopefully will be with decreasing of the supply level and hover it somewhere around here. That could be the trading range to be anticipated. It's still bullish even if it form a trading range. At least we have a lot of the setups, no shortage of the setup. If the index can hover it, forming a range, it will be good for trading the stocks, the rest of the stocks, especially when this is unfolding. It means that we could see a rotation happen and going into the small cap stock as well. If we look at the individual bar, let's take a look here. Last Tuesday was here, and we talk about low quality of the demand. But similarly, there is not much supply either. The less resistance path is still up, and we still do not see a spike of the supply yet. Even after the test of the all-time high level, the only bearish bar that we have is on Thursday, a minor profit taking with slight decrease of the supply level. This is not threatening at all. This is likely to go up to test a higher target. We need to pay attention to when it's turning down. But so far, it could still keep going up, grinding up, and there's lack of the supply level. And I do see the catalyst coming out. It's relatively safe environment for the bull. So trade the setup. If you want to catch my latest videos, click on the subscribe button and the bell right now so that you get instant notification once I upload my latest video. If you want to check out my online courses, go to tradeprecise.com to find out how to profit consistently from any market without using complex indicator or understanding any financial statement, no matter you are trading or investing.